Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't talked to the camera like this in a long time. I feel like I haven't filmed in general in a long time, but as you can tell by the title, I finally started my press-on nail business, and I'm sorry that YouTube is literally the last platform that I'm announcing this on because, I don't know, it just takes a lot more effort to make a YouTube video, but I'm here and I want to share it with you guys and tell you guys all about it, tell you how you can order your nails and just how everything is going to work. And before we even get into that, I just want to say thank you, because you can go back and probably see about 4, even maybe 5 years ago is when I started talking about starting my own press-on nail business. This all started when COVID happened, and every time I would bring it up talking about it on my YouTube videos, I always got so much encouragement from you guys. So I just really appreciate you guys, and I just thank you so much for all the support you guys give me on nail content, because it's something I truly love to do. It's a big passion of mine, and I'm just really looking forward to this journey as a business owner, LLC and all. I got my LLC for my company. I got it all, and that's kind of why I've been MIA the past month, because after my trip to California, I was like, okay, I'm finally just gonna stop talking and do it. I spent a lot of money, I spent a lot of time, I've cried trying to get this together. You guys know my website was one of the biggest things holding me back because I could not figure it out. Girl, use ChatGPT. Like, ChatGPT really helped me out when it comes to setting up my Shopify website. I'm probably gonna talk a lot in this video, but I just want to go over everything that has anything to do with Galexi Nails. So first of all, you can order your custom press-on nails at www.galexynails.com. Of course, all the links for everything will be in the description box below. And the first thing you're gonna want to do if you want to order press-on nails from Galexi Nails from me is order a sizing kit. So the way I'm going to be creating custom orders is by using a sizing kit. These are the sizing kits that I will be using. I currently am only offering almond medium, almond short, and coffin medium. I do plan to expand the length and shape options, but I didn't want to invest too much into it and not know how it's gonna go. So I feel like these are pretty popular shapes in my opinion. So we're gonna start here. Definitely let me know if there's other shapes and lengths you would really want to see, and I can definitely add them to the website. I know a lot of people use the quarter method or even just the tape method, where you measure the width of your nails in millimeters and then that equals to a certain number nail size. In my opinion, those methods are a lot more complicated and leave way more room for error, whereas with the sizing kit, you're measuring your nail with the exact nail tip that I will be using to create your press-on nail. So I feel like this is the most accurate way, and it's the only way I will be accepting your orders. I'm gonna pull up my website here on my phone and kind of insert the screen recording so we can go over this together. But you're gonna go to www.galexynails.com, or just click the link in the description box or any of the bios of my social medias, and this is the page you're gonna see. So my Shopify website is very bare at the moment, and it's the most basic, but it's really giving all I could give, because you know that creating the website was one of the hardest challenges of the whole business for me. Like I told you guys before, if I could just be in charge of the creative side of things, as in creating the nails and nothing else, that'd be my dream. But anyway, I figured it out, and it's really not that bad. So here's the website. This is a landing page. It says shop our press-on nails. They're 100% gel nails, so super durable. They're made to order, so I'm not gonna have pre-made sets in size small, medium, and large. I know some people do that, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like those would be harder to sell and kind of a waste of product. And then a little note saying must know nail sizes before ordering, as I mentioned. So I will have pre-made nail designs that you can choose from, and at the moment I have this one here called Gemini, then I have this one called Mayflowers, and then my last one here is Donatella, which I call Donatella because I added tortoiseshell to it, and I don't know, I was just thinking of Ninja Turtles. But yeah, anyway, this is where I'm gonna have the pre-made designs to choose from. I also have the option here for custom nail designs, but before we can get into any of that, sizing kits is the first thing you need to do, like I mentioned, and I'm gonna keep reiterating because I don't want people to try and order and then it's just a whole back and forth thing. I just want you to know this is what you gotta do first. So at the very bottom of the page, you'll see the option to order the sizing kits. And once you're here, you can choose the options as far as the length and shape that you want. You add to cart and you can purchase that. Once that arrives and you figure out your nail sizes, you can go back and choose the design you want. So say you want this Gemini design, you can choose it in the shape shape and lengths that I offer. We're gonna do medium coffin. And then this is the box where you're going to insert your nail sizes. This is very important. And you're just gonna write them out, like put an L or write out the word left for your left nail sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can do an R or type out the word right and write those nail sizes, which they could be different. So definitely make sure to measure out both hands. Add to cart. And then this is the checkout page, and I'll be able to see your nail sizes as soon as the order comes through and I can get to work right away. Quick interruption because I'm editing this video right now and I forgot to include a very important thing about custom nail design orders. So when you go to order the custom nail designs, of course, choose your length, short or medium. Maybe I'll have long in the future. And then you still need to know your sizes beforehand. Type those in. Right under the nail sizes box, there's a little tab that says upload file. This is where you're going to upload your inspiration picture. Please try and include the original creator's username, whether that's just like a screenshot of their Instagram or whatever, because I would love to give credit where credit is due. But you can upload multiple files so I can get a good understanding of what the design is that you want. Once I receive your custom nail design orders, there definitely will be like an email exchange between the both of us to confirm the design and also to confirm the price. The final price will be determined by the design and the length of the nail, and the final price of the nail will be sent in an invoice via email, and that'll have to be paid in full before I begin the order so that everything is just good to go. But just wanted to include that really quick. So yeah, that's kind of the breakdown of how everything is gonna go if you decide to order from me. I will definitely be adding more nail design options as soon as I possibly can. I literally even made this one this morning. I think I'm gonna add it to the website. This is actually a recreation of a design I saw on Instagram and fell in love with, but I think I'm gonna add this one as an option to order. This is the box that you're going to receive your order in, and this is what you're going to get in your order. So obviously it's going to come with the nails. These are the ones that I just showed you, for example. All the nails will come in this acrylic case, which is perfect if you're somebody who likes to reuse your press-on nails, which is totally possible. And another great benefit of press-on nails is that they are reusable if you remove them correctly and, you know, prep them correctly to be used a second time or a third time or a fourth time. But yeah, all nails will come with this acrylic case. And then you're also going to get a small application kit, which is this little thing. This is everything you're going to need to prep your natural nails and apply the press-ons. First, we have this little alcohol pad, which kind of works as a dehydrator to remove the natural oils on your nails. Then we have a little mini nail file, which you could also use as a buffer to kind of add a little texture into your nails for better adhesion. You'll also get a little wooden cuticle pusher. You'll have two options to apply the press-on nails. For something super temporary, you'll have these little nail glue sticky tabs. And then you'll also receive a little nail glue. Lastly, a little pack of cuticle oil to make sure everything looks good and is rehydrated once the nails are applied. Inside the box, I'll also have these little, I don't know if I would call them business cards, but I created these little cards and just says my brand name information with the website, but on the back it has tutorials and you can easily just scan these. They're QR codes, so you can scan them. It'll link to the video if you want to know how to apply them or how to remove press-on nails. So I thought this was super genius. Actually, my husband told me I should do this and it was such a great idea. So if you have any questions, watch these videos, or you can literally DM me or email me and I'll be happy to answer. And then I just have these random little stickers and some fun crinkle paper. I'm like debating what else could I add to these boxes. Give me some ideas below. I was thinking maybe like little rings, like just to make it more of a wow factor, like, you know, I don't know. But that is how your order will come, and I'm really excited. Like, I'm really excited. I actually launched technically on Friday and it's Monday now, and so far I've only gotten one order, but I literally was so grateful. She ordered like an hour after I posted. I was like, wow, we're starting off great. Since that order, it has been crickets, but I'm hoping after I make this YouTube video it kind of reaches more people because this is my biggest platform. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm trying not to not get my hopes up because I do hope a lot for this business of mine, but I don't want to be disappointed, you know? So I don't know, I'm just trying to have fun with it and take it a day at a time. So yeah, I put a lot of effort into this, and I just didn't want to sell press-on nails. Like, I wanted to create a brand, create a business that can turn into something a few years from now. Like, maybe I can start selling gel polishes and my own cuticle oils and accessories to go with press-on nails and everything like that, you know? And I think that is why I struggled so much with starting, was because I knew I wanted wanted it to be like a brand, if that makes sense. Like I didn't want to just sell press-on nails through my Instagram DMs. And no shade to girls who do that, because people are very successful just using social media to support their business. But yeah, I don't know, I'm rambling, but I just want to say thank you guys so much. I hope to make press-on nails for you guys very, very soon. Check out the link in my description box. Check out my TikTok page, my Instagram page. They're all under the name Galexi Nails, which is Galexi Nails, because I thought I was being different or whatever. But yeah, I need to get back to making more nail videos for you guys on YouTube. Once again, thanks for always sticking around. I haven't even showed you guys the nails I have on. They're literally the cutest little croc print Frenchies. Like croc print is so cute for summer, and it's like bold but super simple, and they're so cute. And these are in almond short, by the way, so super functional, lets me get work done, and I love them. But thank you so much, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.